Research in bio-inspired design has the potential to yield transformative solutions in infrastructure, manufacturing, food production, human health, and more. We'll explore how American scientists and engineers are looking to nature as they tackle complex challenges in the U.S. National Science Foundation's Discovery Files.
The use of bio-inspiration or bio-inspired architectures is very important because nature has plenty of ideas on how to actually solve engineering problems. And we use the same principles that we are learning from nature. And just what we know so far, we are going to learn more as we proceed.
Pablo Zavattieri is a professor of civil engineering at Purdue University and part of a collaboration working to understand how a mosquito's specialized antennae allow them to isolate specific sounds over the noise of their own wings, which could have a variety of translational applications in sensors and sound treatments.
Mosquitoes actually have a really great structural component in the antennas that actually can help us understand how to better design sensors and structures for vibration and vibration control or vibration detection. So I think there are a lot of clues in nature that we can actually use from just doing these studies.
Learn more about this study in NSF's Discovery Files podcast, Translational Research.